Hi, fifth grade, it's Miss Whitney. I wanted to make a quick little video to show you how you will turn in your math homework if we have to go all online. So if you have to be at home quarantined and you can't come to school, you will do it this way. Or if we have to do online school for a while, you will also do it this way. So watch this video close so that you know how to do it. You are going to be in one of these Google Classrooms right here, these math ones. However, for this video, I'm going to show you using this one. So you will just click on whichever math class you're in. And when you do that, right here, it will show you any math assignments that you have. Or you can click down here where it says classwork, and all of your assignments will be right here. So for this video, I just made this class so it only has one assignment, but all of your assignments would show up right here. You're going to click on whichever assignment you're wanting to do. And there will be all the information that you need to know right here. So usually there will be a video up here for you to watch, and there's going to be some directions to read. And you want to do that first. And then once you've done all of that, there will always be an attachment. And this is how you get to your homework assignment. So you're going to click that attachment, and it's going to open up your homework assignment on your iPad. So you can scroll and see how many questions there are. You can see anything that you need to see. However, we are going to work out our math assignments on pencil and paper. So you will need some pencil and paper also so that you can work out your math assignment. You're always going to want to start by putting the title of the math assignment. So this one is called Adding Fractions. I'm going to come over here to my paper, and at the top, I would write Adding Fractions. You can use lined notebook paper, that would be best, but any paper that you have will work. Then I'm going to go back to my iPad, and I need to look at number 1, and I need to copy down number 1 on my notebook paper or whatever paper I'm working it out on. So I'm going to put number 1, and looking back at my iPad, I see that it's 4/11 plus 6/11 equals, and I'm going to put my answer. I know that that is 10/11, and I'm going to circle my final answer so that it's easy for Miss Whitney to see. Notice I did my neatest handwriting, and I'm trying to organize my paper very nicely so that it's easy to read. Then I'm going to look back on my iPad, and I'm going to find number 2, and I'm going to copy down the problem on my paper. 12/40 plus 11/40 equals, and you will see that I copied that down on my paper as I was reading it to you. That's going to be 23/40. And I'm going to circle my final answer, okay? I would keep doing that, looking on my iPad and going back to my paper to work it out until I got the entire assignment done. So this one would have 8 problems. When I'm all the way done and I'm ready to turn in my assignment, you're gonna go up here to the top and hit the little X because we're done. And down here it says your work. You're gonna slide it up, and you are going to click where it says Add Attachment. Then it's going to give you some options over here, and you're always going to choose Use Camera. When you do that, the camera on your iPad is going to open up. Right now you're seeing my window at my house because that's what my iPad is facing. But I would pick my iPad up. This is going to be hard to do with one hand, but you would lay it over your assignment. See how you can kind of see my assignment in there? Now, if I was doing a lot better job and had 2 hands, this would be easier. So I'm going to lay it over there, and I'm going to take a picture. Now, I'm going to lay mine back down and just take a picture of my curtain because that will work okay. I'm going to take my picture. Remember, yours would be of your assignment. And you're going to look over your picture. If it looks good, all of your work is in there, and it's not blurry, you're going to click Use Photo. If it's a little blurry, or maybe you cut off an answer or something and you need to retake it, you're going to click Retake over here in this corner and just retake the picture. Okay, let's pretend like mine is really good of my math paper, and we're going to click Use Photo. And on my screen, it's going to start to load. We're going to wait for it to load. And you're going to wait a little bit longer, and it's going to pop up there. Do you see it? So that means I have one photo of my work up there. Now, sometimes you might have to use more than one piece of paper. So if I used another piece of paper, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click Add Attachment, Use Camera, And I'm going to take another picture of my next piece of paper that I used. So pretending that Miss Whitney's curtain is another piece of paper, I'm going to take my picture, check and make sure it's good. If it's not, click retake. If it's good to go, you're going to click use photo. We will pretend that it's good. Again, it's going to load for a little bit. Be patient. Once it has loaded, it should pop up here with the other one. Let's see if it does. Yep, so now I have two, so I can tell that both pages of my homework have been uploaded as a photo. And whenever I'm ready, I'm going to click Turn In. It says 2 attachments will be submitted, and you're going to click Turn In again. Once I have done that, it says Assignment Turned In. That means that Miss Whitney has your paper and she can grade it. Okay, I hope this helps. You can do it. If you need to watch this video again to help you turn in your work, you can play it as many times as you need to. Good luck.